Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. First, in your TV you need to open screen mirroring app. So let me open screen mirroring app. So here you can see the icon of mirroring app. Open it. Then keep the screen like this. Then take your phone, open settings, then go down, then select smart mirroring. Tap on this, then tap on screen mirroring here. Then here we need to turn on screen mirroring. Just tap here and on screen mirroring. You can see now it's searching for the nearby devices. You can see the TV name here. Tap here. So now it's connecting. Okay, done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. So if you want to see to this full screen, you can just enable the screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone, it will switch to full screen. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.